I'm going to use my Morphe pencil in chocolate mousse. And this is the micro brow pencil. So I'm going to quickly just show you guys how I do one brow on camera. And then I'm going to quickly do the other one off camera. So I like to brush it up. You can use the spoolie that comes with the pencil, of course. But what I like to do is I'll start with a line under the brow to get the shape right. You know what I mean? We want to first focus on getting that shape right. And then go around under the arch. Be careful because this can mess up real quick, real easy, and become a mess. Just take your time. So boom. That's our underline that we want. And boom. Now, if your brow hairs stop at a certain point and you like to bring it in a little bit more, just make sure you bring that underline in as much as you want, but still keep it in line with the nose. You see that? Boom. My arch. Boom. The tail. Boom. That's how you do it. Boom. You see that? The tail should stop at or before the end of my eye. From the tip of my nose across. This is when your brows are more complementary to your face. So now I'm going to start to do the top line. And again, we're following our natural hair growth. We are following where the arch should hit at the top and bringing that to a close at the tail. Just like that. Now you can lightly fill it in. I don't like to do too much filling in because when I go in with the spoolie, I just like to try to bring the product in together. And just like this. And you could do some little light strokes going up in the very front. Like that. Boom. Now I'm actually going to use a spoolie that comes on the pencil. And that's because it's cleaner and I just really like to have a smaller one. But we're just working that product through the brow like this. Boom. You see that? You see how much your brows can change your face? Quick, simple, and easy. Do y'all see that?